BULL stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially with Webull Corporation, 14 bucks. This thing seems like it's pumping crazy good. Zooming out, I have already made kind of my previous predictions, which I haven't touched in a while. But at the time of making the video, it was very hype, and I was like, if I see a double break, willing to take it better up. That kind of died out. And then I had this correct bearish idea, which was made 19th of June, just 2 weeks back. Oh, this is the complete order. Right, here is that. 1236. I was like, if I see a double break, willing to take it better down. And guess what happened? I mean, the second one. Sticking with this, the real bullishness will definitely come from a full candle close above this top here. For me, we're very close. Haven't broken up yet. And just keeping an eye. But from how this is moving, this could be crazy. And if they see a double break taking place, I'm just willing to double down. If the price allows, if you know what I mean. So if you want to learn to get to those 5-10k months skill set, click the first link in the description. It's absolute risk free. 1200 people have tried it.